Ryan joins us now, president of the Center for a Free Economy. All right, Ryan, in fairness, love the op-ed in the Wall Street Journal. It's always easy to trash the IRS. Is this really their fault?
No, this is Congress's fault. You put this directly in the hands of the United States Congress. There's a Form 1099-K that affected some people before. It affected business owners if they did up to $20,000 a year through a credit card, a debit card, a Venmo, a PayPal, something in that area. They would get a 1099-K only if they ran $20,000 through that and 200 transactions. Well, last year, Congress decided that in 2022 and onward, rather than 200 transactions, you go down to one. And rather than $20,000 of money having to go through it, you only need 600 in the course of the year, which means all sorts of people now are going to be getting these 1099-Ks just for doing basic things through Square, through PayPal, Venmo.
Is there any suggestion that the IRS is ready for this additional form, and what happens when somehow I get a 1099-K because my sister reimbursed me for an airline ticket I bought her?
Well, look, what's going to happen is you're going to get this form from the IRS that says how much you got from your sister in that case. And the IRS is going to expect that that's fully taxable income. They're going to want you to pay income tax on that. They're going to want you to pay self-employment tax on that. You're likely to look at that and say, what the heck do I do with this thing? I've never gotten this type of tax form before. Well, what do? I'll call the IRS. Well, they don't pick up the phone. Well, then I don't want to pay taxes on this. I just won't include it in my taxes. I hope the IRS won't notice. Well, then what happens is the IRS sends you a nasty letter and says, hey, you didn't include that 1099-K on your tax return, so why don't you just give us a couple $100 and it'll go away? What are you going to do at that point? Are you going to hire a tax professional, or are you just going to pay the couple $100 to make the IRS go away?
So is the answer to this just delete Venmo and PayPal and everything else off your phone?
Well, it depends how you set it up. But a lot of people, when they've, think back to when you originally set up your Venmo account on your phone. Or
in all honesty, I was probably drunk at a bar with a couple of buddies, but go ahead.
Same here. Same here. That's the way we all did it. So, there's a screen that says, hey, is this a personal account, or are you conducting business transactions? Who knows what you said? Who knows how it's set up? But the problem is that the incentive for these companies is to over-report, not under-report. It's up to you to determine your own tax liability. So their attitude is going to be, let's kick a 1099-K out to somebody if they even smell like they need one. So there's going to be 10 to 20 million of these that are going to go out. It's not their fault, but it's going to come from Venmo. It's going to come from Square. It's going to come from
and then you got to go on. You got to remember your password. There's probably something that you forgot your password to. You got to download it. Then you got to figure out what to do with it and send it in. Considering that right now the IRS says it could take 3 weeks or more for you to get your refunds, next year this is just going to only be exponentially worse, right?
Yeah, that's right. Because, it isn't as if tax season stops, right? Tax season comes and it continues and you get to the new tax season. So if you're in the IRS's position right now where there are millions of returns behind, they have stacks of unanswered mail, they have had to hire all these temporary employees just to catch up. It's like the old I Love Lucy thing with the chocolate coming out of the wall, right? And eventually she can't package it fast enough, but the chocolate keeps coming out of the machine. And they will never be able to catch up unless they can find a way to pause it.
Boy, I only wish we had known about that analogy before, because we would have had a graphic made of it. I'm sorry, I'm laughing. It's serious, but it's just sort of bewildering. Number of returns issued between January 24th and April 1st, 63 million returns. That's an average of 940 million per day on average. Amazon delivers 1.6 million packages to all 50 states every day. How is it that the IRS cannot deal with things anywhere close to efficiently as Amazon?
Because they have outdated technology that they refuse to invest any updates in. Every time the IRS has ever gotten any extra money, what they've done with it is hired more small business auditors. They've hired people to go to small businesses and shake them down. I've been through a lot of these audits with small business owners. They're really just fishing expeditions, but they're fishing expeditions that might produce $10,000 or $15,000 of extra money to the IRS. So they've never done the hard work of actually updating their systems, training their employees. Some of the computer software is from the Kennedy administration, if you can believe it, on the back end.
Oh, I can believe it. And I guess the point is, Ryan, and you make some great points here. If they can have a 20% success rate, essentially, and the head of the IRS gets to keep his job and nobody seems to care, why would they ever change the way they're doing business. All right, this is fantastic. We got to run, but we're going to have you back next week as we head into tax season, all right?
Sounds good to me.
Yeah, thank you. This is tremendous. We appreciate the time. Have a good weekend. Thanks for watching. Click the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.